Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make my homemade Eucalyptus Shower Steamer tablets. So, without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, to make my Eucalyptus shower steamer tablets, here are all of the ingredients here that I'm going to be using to make them. Eucalyptus menthol. And I will post my recipe here on the screen for you guys to have if you're interested in making these shower steamer tablets. So you can screenshot it, save my video, whatever you guys want to do, share it, whatever you need to do to save this, please do it. So the first ingredient is polysorbate 80, and what this is going to do, guys, is going to keep the color from staining your tub. It's going to allow it to rinse right on out. And the star of the show are our menthol crystals. Okay, I have about 1/3 cup of those. We have some citric acid, I have some cream of tartar, and some cornstarch. And what those are going to do, guys, is going to help your shower steamers to get nice and hard. Okay, so we're going to add all of the ingredients into the bowl here, and then we are going to melt our menthol crystals. Now you want to melt them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, which isn't going to take that long. Okay, and you will notice that there's some little crystals still floating around in there, and that's okay. As it's sit, guys, they are going to melt completely. So go ahead and set that to the side and just start to get all of the lumps out of your mixture. Now if you want to get a sieve, you can do that and just run all of your dry ingredients through a sieve, but I like to go in with my hand just to make sure I get everything. So I have my eucalyptus essential oil, and I'm going to pour that into my polysorbate 80 and then give that a good mix, and then I'm going to pour that into my dry ingredients. So I did mix my blue Vibrance Mica color into my melted menthol crystals, okay, and I gave that a good mix. And now we're going to go ahead and pour that in with the polysorbate 80 and the eucalyptus essential oil as well. Now make sure you get all of that out of your bowl, okay, waste not, want not. So then go in with your glove, your hand, or whatever. You want to make sure you have gloves on. But then again, guys, we do got that polysorbate 80 in there, and that's going to help the color to rinse right off. So go ahead and mix the mixture in between your hand, and this is just to make sure all the color and the ingredients are being evenly distributed throughout your dry mix. And then you want to get some alcohol or some water. I'm using 99% proof alcohol, and you want to spray your mixture until it gets nice and damp, you know, damp enough to where you can get a big handful of it, and just like that, once it gets solid like that, you're ready to start making your shower discs. Okay, so this here is what I'm going to be using. My cake moon press, or moon cake press, or whatever you guys want to call it. My daughter picked out the design. She said it kind of reminded her of one of her favorite Disney movies. So go ahead and add that in there. And I'm only making 1/2 inch discs. As you guys can see, that's like a 1 inch disc right there. I'm only make 1/2 inch this time because I normally make the full, 1 inch disc, guys, but I'm just going with 1/2 inch this year. And I make these every year. I actually give these out to the teachers. These are actually part of the little gifts that I give out in my gift baskets every year. You guys know it's allergy season. Cold and flu is right around the corner. Sinus, congestion, all that stuff. You place one of these in your shower, guys, I promise you it's going to take care of all of that. It's going to open you right on up, and whatever is up in there is going to come out, okay? I promise you. So I'm going to do a little demo here for you guys to show you of how this works, and then I'm going to let these sit for 3 days to set. So I'd also use these to sit on top of soap savers, and that helps the bath bomb or the shower steamer to last longer. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my shower steamer tablets. If you did, that's the little soap saver that I use. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.